I'm going to show you another technique I can use as well. So here's what I'm going to do. I want to follow the curve of these two paths. So let me go ahead and draw with my pen tool as I click and drag out these um, handles so that I have a curved line. Now I just want a line here, so I'm going to hit escape, and then I'm going to drag out a new line. So I have two of these lines kind of running sort of parallel to each other. All right, escape. All right, let me select both objects by holding Shift and clicking on both. I'm going to make the stroke thicker. How about like 4 to sort of match the line underneath. And let me go to Object, expand, hit OK. Now I have, instead of a path with a stroke, I've got a path with no stroke or no color and a black fill. So I'm going to continue to use this method. So I'm in the pen tool. I want my stroke to be black and my fill to be none. Drag out my path, tracing over the template. Hit escape. Make the stroke of 4, and then hit expand. So now rather than a path with a stroke applied, it's a path with no stroke but a black fill of. All right, so it becomes a closed object instead of just a path. So I'm going to construct this sort of shape over here. All right, so I think I've got most of the shapes. I'm going to select the ones that I want to fill with black. So I've got my Pathfinder. Oops, that's already filled. Okay, let's swap. Okay, so now what I want to do, I think that it would be a good idea to join these paths together. So I'm selecting all. I'm going to choose merge. And now this becomes a single shape. Same here. I want to join these shapes. So I'm selecting everything that I want to join together and then choose merge. Oops. Okay, so this one is separate. So let's merge these. And then, yeah. Okay. So one thing that I do want to show you is, let me just reverse that. There's a white area inside of here. Let's fill this one. Let's fill this with white, and let's fill this one with black. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this shape out of this one. So rather than merge them together, I'm going to basically cut this out of the center. So I'm going to select both shapes, holding the Shift key to select, to click on both and select them both at the same time. And then I'm going to use this minus front. Let's just do minus front, and it cuts that shape out.